Hi there, this is Scott Hamill with Royal LePage Binder Real Estate in Windsor, Ontario, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to set up your own email alerts. These are alerts that are going to notify you of any property that comes into the market that meets the criteria that you'll be setting up in a moment. So I'm going to start down here. Actually, you'll be watching this video that's going to show you how to proceed. That's the video I'm making right now, by the way. Let's go down here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my email address. Clicking this button is going to register me with the website, and it's going to bring me to a page where I can set up my own search alert. Okay, when we arrive on this page here, we've got my profile up here, and this is where we're going to create our first alert. I'm going to go ahead and create one for Windsor, and I'm going to enter all of the parameters down here. Single family home. I'm going to look for something with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Priced from, let's say, 150,000 to 400. I would suggest that you leave these fields blank. Not every listing has that criteria, and it's just going to give you more of a narrow search result. And of course, your options here, you can go with something that's just listed, something near a golf course with a pool, all kinds of options to select. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it blank. I'm going to add this alert. I'm going to name it, and I'm going to go with a daily email. That way, if something new comes on the market, I'm going to be notified pretty much the next day at the very latest. Save that alert. And that's it. I'll get the emails when something comes on the market. Of course, you can come in here and at any time and just click on it and get the same results here through your profile. You can also delete it if you wanted to create a new one at any point. That way, you're not getting hit with so many emails at a time. That about does it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching and have a great day.